Hello everyone, Tony Luce from Network Optix, and today I want to talk to you guys about something that's really important for us and I'm pretty excited about. It's what we call our Works with Nx section. It's available on my.networkoptix.com, which is our customer dashboard. So there's a couple of different ways to get to it. Number one, you can go straight to my.networkoptix.com and log in. Alternatively, you can go to our website, and up here in the corner, in case you've never noticed this before, there's a link to my Nx. So you just click on that, right? If you don't have a profile, you're going to be asked to sign up, and that's because we put a lot of really cool tools here and a lot of information for our partners and our customers to find out stuff. So we want to make sure we can keep you up to date. So if you sign up for my Nx, you can subscribe to the email newsletter, and you'll get notified every time we have something like this that's cool that comes out. So now there's a section here called Works with Nx. You can find it here in the tools layout on the dashboard as well. So if you click on Works with Nx, you can see we kind of put together a little marketplace. We call the Works with Nx marketplace that allows partners and Network Optix ourselves to put up known integrations. You know, one of the challenges with Nx Witness and with Powered by Nx products that are built off of Meta is that, you know, by design, integrations are meant to be external. What that means is we're not going down the path of doing native integrations where we have native UX and UI elements which are created specifically for one integration. And the thought process behind that is that it allows us to keep the core software a platform, right? It's meant to keep the core software lightweight. It's meant to keep the core software small. So when you look at our download size right now for client, desktop, and server applications, it's still 120 megabytes, right? Keeping integrations out of the core product also allows customers to do integrations really rapidly. And as you guys know, our developer tools are built right into the software. As a result of that, we don't have pure visibility into what integrations have been done out there and which have not. We've heard, you know, we've seen, our sales guys have seen, you know, hundreds of different integrations, different products out there. Everything from individual I/O devices to full systems integrations that we've never even heard of before. But this Works with the Next page is meant to allow you guys out there who are doing these integrations to submit the integration and to promote that integration throughout the Powered by Nx channel. It could be a hardware device, like a computing device. It could be a software solution. It could be some form of turnkey solution where it's software plus hardware. It's totally up to you guys in terms of what you put here. We're basically putting this so that you guys can share ideas and share different products that work with Powered by Nx systems. The other part of this is, as an integrator, and I was an integrator before, you know, when you're looking at a project and you're looking at a specific integration this one customer has asked for, a lot of times, you know, being able to justify the investment in that integration, even if it's using a third-party developer to do the integration, you're going to have to maintain it and keep it going, right? It's also a decent chunk of money at first. So where the economics may not make sense for a single project, the Works with the Nx store allows you to promote your integration and also to sell your integration, right? So you can potentially recapture some of that investment you had for this one project by sharing your integration with the world and selling it to other partners and supporting it through them as well. So there's a lot of different possibilities with the Works with the Nx marketplace, and we're leaving them open to you guys. So what I'm going to do right now is just kind of walk you through how you submit an integration, and so you can see the result. Right, so I've actually submitted some integrations, but there's two ways to submit integration. From the dashboard here, you can see a button up here called Submit Integration. And in the Works with the Nx page, you can also see a button right at the top that's basically Submit an Integration. There's already been some that have been submitted. Some of these are ours. A lot of these are partners that have come in and do stuff, everything from face detection to cloud-based event management to access control integrations to intelligent video integrations, right? Today what we're going to go over is one that I submitted just a few minutes ago called Seagate Skyhawk Health Monitoring Beta, right? And as you can see from the description, it allows you to monitor Seagate hard drives health from Nx Witness or other powered by Nx solutions. So when I click through and look at it, right, this is kind of your view of it. It looks kind of like Google Play Store. You've got a description of what it is. You got demo video. You got screenshots that show what it looks like after the integration is done, right? Then you've got setup information, and then you've got support information, right? So since I'm the one who posted this, I put my support information and our support information in here. You would put your contact information and your support information when you submit your integration, because you're the guy that people need to talk to you about this integration, right? So let's go ahead and edit it, because I can see I got an error here, right? So we go into edit. This is what it looks like when you're submitting a product. You have your product name, you got your category. Category is pretty much open. You can put in kind of whatever information you want here. We may modify it over time as categories get more stratified. You put in a product thumbnail. We ask you for a 512 by 512 square image. You put in a short description, and that's what's shown on that home page there. And if you click here, you can see kind of how everything's going to lay out, right? And then you can put in a intro video, a YouTube or Vimeo link. So you want to upload your video to YouTube or Vimeo, and then you want to share it here. And then you can choose your screenshots, and then you can put in a price, right? If you're going to sell an integration, go ahead and put your price here if you want. If you don't want to, you can just say contact us for pricing information. Totally up to you guys, right? Then you're going to go into setup instructions. Under setup instructions, you're going to choose compatible versions. Everything from the beta versions that are out right now to past versions. And then we ask you, how is it integrated with Nx? So there's different ways to do the integration: server API, video source SDK, storage SDK, cloud API. The metadata SDK is new in 4.0. OnVIF for camera manufacturers or device manufacturers who have something that works with Nx and they just want to put it up here so that other people know about it. It's natively supported by Nx. Some devices, like I/O devices, we already support, right? So you can just say it's natively supported by Nx. And another way is via the operating system. So sometimes some hardware is supported on an operating system, like a microphone, or like a USB camera, and so it's going to be natively supported by us via the operating system, right? So in this case, Skyhawk Health Monitoring is supported. It's integrated with the server API. It sends us a generic event, right? You can put a setup tutorial video if you've done one. If not, you can just include installation instructions. So for this one, I actually included a setup guide in the installation package. So I'm just going to leave that here, right? I have to go back and edit. So we got an extra one there. So let me get rid of that. Under support information, again, I put the company's name is Seagate. The email address is me. I did not put my phone number in. You can put one in if you want to. And then the support portal is a URL. Right, when you're done, you got to choose either to upload a product package. So if your integration has some software that it requires, or you just want to include like a user manual for how to do the integration, you can put it in a zip file and upload it to MyNX, and we'll make it available for download. Alternatively, you can just do a download link, right? And so that's what I've done. So in my Google Drive, I've actually created a public folder called Public Integrations. Inside that, I put the Seagate integration, and there's a link to download it. So I'm just go ahead and do that, and when I'm done, I press preview, and you can get a preview of what your works with Nx integration is going to look like, right? You can check it out, and then you can press submit. Once it's been submitted, it comes in here, right, to the admin interface, and this is what we see. Now you guys can, when you submit an integration, you can actually see your integrations as well. I just skipped through that view, but you guys will actually be able to see your integrations and the status of those integrations, right? As an admin, I see that this has been updated, it needs to be approved, so I go in here and I can say approve, right? And if I go back to admin, you can see it's gone. If I go back to approved, you can see all the ones that are improved. And then when I go to work to the next over here, then Skyhawk Health Monitoring is here and it's live. And if I click on the video, I can start to find out about it, right? So this works with Nx, and our hope is that all of our tech partners out there who have hardware or software solutions that work with Nx, take the time to create a works with Nx marketplace entry, or what we call an integration. Share that, share how it works, get discovered. We have about 10,000 existing enrolled users on the My Nx dashboard. So you're going to be discovered by everybody from end users to other tech partners to integrators, everybody who's going to be needing these solutions to create kind of cool new products, right? So do me a favor, take the time, go in, add a new works with Nx integration, and once you've done that, then the Nx marketing team is going to take your integration and put it on our social media page and help you promote your integrated product with Nx. So again, works with Nx, open to the public. Any of you guys out there, whether it's a computer manufacturer or IP camera manufacturer or an integrated solution like an access control, alarm, anything, video analytics, cloud-based storage, any type of integration that you guys want to promote, you can promote it here to our channel. So check it out, work with Nx. We're excited to see what you guys come up with. Thanks.